Park Assist Plus with memory function, the individual park assistant. The memory function of Park Assist Plus equips your Volkswagen with a mind for parking. The park assistant is able to remember parking maneuvers, which can include distances up to 50 meters. Your Volkswagen can now learn and memorize up to 5 individual parking maneuvers to carry these out independently at a later stage. Park Assist Plus with memory function, the individual park assistant. In order to save and retrieve a parking maneuver for future use, it has to be carried out once. The memory function memorizes the last 50 meters of your route when driving below 40 kilometers per hour. During the teaching phase, ensure there is sufficient space for your car to maneuver. After reaching your final parking position, save and individually name the parking maneuver in the parking menu. In this way, up to 5 different parking destinations with their respective parking maneuvers can be learned by the system. Should you wish to recall a saved parking maneuver, bring the car to a stop on the pre-learned route and set the brake. The assistant will now offer the recognized parking maneuver as an option to select. To activate the parking maneuver, press the Start button. Now, remove your hands from the steering wheel and then release the brake. Your Volkswagen will start to maneuver itself into the chosen parking spot. As always, be aware of your surroundings to remain reactive if necessary. Park Assist Plus with memory function, the individual park assistant.
Volkswagen.